we found our plywood. Wood is in. Let's go. There's our faux door that we lost for 2 weeks somehow. We found our pumpkin that was supposed to be for a holiday, and now it's a new holiday. All done. Woohoo! Guy. Alright, so right now we are working on getting the kitchen built. We took everything out. It looks insane. I can't believe that. A part of me is like, let's keep the space, but we can't. So Destiny's finishing doing that and building the wall with my uncle, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started on building the kitchen. So, and I have my helper, Sister Britt, here. We're gonna get some cabinets built. All right, now we're gonna build some cabinets. Ooh. Oh, lights, yes. Girl, it's already built. Yes. Okay, help me lift it. It's gonna press it back, and then. Love that for us. Oh my god, I'm so happy. There you go. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? You're not. Oh, no point. Look what I did. I'm gonna tell Destiny, babe, I finished. She's gonna say that fast? I'm walking. Here, put all the trash in there. Woo, this is a lot easier than I thought.
And now you're looking back, wishing that we got buried.
I haven't seen him in person. So nice. We need to get some samples.
When I'm sleeping with someone new, I just close my eyes and think of you. When I'm sleeping with someone new.
For sure.
When somebody calls you out, are you sleeping with someone new? Someone new,
All right, so what have you been doing, babe? Oh, you're just a leaf. What have you been doing? Let us know.
A whole lot of nothing.
These two have been doing a whole lot of things. You're hitting my butt. Does that mean move?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have 2x3s.
I put my paint shirt on. There we go. I put on my paint shirt so I could paint because I have to paint. These? Is this just one? Holy mackerel. So this is going to be our wall. Half of the wall. So I'm gonna spray it. Paint it. Spray paint it. Just might roll it. Okay. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to show you the progress we've made. It's been a lot. Kind of. I built this whole pull-out one here.
She's lying.
I am what?
Lying.
Okay,
She
bye.
pulled it out of the box.
Yeah, it was great. This one I did build, Brittany and I.
And then gave up.
You what? You came outside and asked me to paint. Don't not say that. Look at my hands. I'm painted. Oh, I washed it off. All right, battery died, but we're back. So I did really make this one. Wood gluing it at the top. We can't see it, but it's gonna come together. Build the drawers. Destiny's unbuilding them and gluing them now.
They fell apart.
Yeah. Brittany's our door holder and greeter. Also the greeter. She says, "Hello, Merry Christmas. Welcome in. Would you like a drink?"
What?
Merry Christmas. This is our pantry, also known as a spice rack, I guess, in the real world. Excited for that. Glad I didn't have to build it. And then we have one more. Tackling that later. What did we really do?
Paint.
Yes.
The sidewalk.
So we actually did paint the sidewalk, and she's saying that because we did, but we painted the pocket door. It's black. We have lighting. It's really dark, but we did paint the sidewalk. Don't tell my nonna. It's okay. And my uncle made great progress. He's cutting the other side. Let's see what they're doing here. Oh, hello, puppos. And then there's going to be a middle one that slides.
Right. Just like I told her. This is one panel. This is the one you painted.
Yeah.
This is the other panel. Okay. This right here, bracket's gonna attach to that all the way across, and your doors.
Should we put this in?
Yeah.
Wow, you fast. We also have a wood up here now. Yay! Did you make this stay already?
Kind of.
Cool. Hell yeah.
These two pieces right here.
So, as you can see, we're getting a lot of things done today. Really exciting and nerve-wracking, and just exciting, and also just like want it done. We're just excited. And I know people will probably think we're extremely crazy, but we have no idea how we're doing the whole kitchen. We do have an idea, but we keep changing it. We don't know where the oven's gonna go anymore. We don't know where the sink's gonna go. I think the sink's gonna go here, or maybe over there. It's supposed to just come off now?
Hmm?
You probably have to do it. Oh, nice. Wow. The top is still kind of attached. Whoa. Wow. I would have never. Yeah? Okay. My sister and niece came over, so we took a little break for some fun.
1, 2. Look at me. 3.
You love it?
Ready? Ready? 1. Count. 2. 3.
It's a feeling that I bought.
this is our mess. With the drawers are done. Here's the face of the whole cabinet. And here's the second one. How are we feeling?
Exhausted and stinky.
Facts. Yes, so we have this whole mess, and then this is our kitchen because obviously we had to take it all out. That's our kitchen. I think these are our spice racks and more of our kitchen, and the other one that we have to build. So Nana, in advance, I apologize. Huh?
What other one do we have to build?
Oh, is that just the box? Oh, I was like, damn it, we have one more. Okay, just kidding. We did all three. Yay.
We just have to put like the hinges and stuff.
Yep. And tell us the update of the door because you and my Theo Willie.
There's no door.
No. There's no door. What do you mean?
We didn't cut the door yet.
Oh, okay, but the whole process.
The slider's up for the door, and we have the 2 pieces for the wall.
Nice.
But once we put the 2 pieces for the wall, then we could measure the size of the door.
Woohoo!
But our van looks like we haven't done anything.
Yeah, it does. But we've done so much, and it's gonna be done soon, pretty soon. Tomorrow we're having a nice hard work day, early work day. Yep.
10 o'clock sharp.
It's not early. We will definitely be waking up way earlier than 10 o'clock and getting things done. Maybe 6, maybe 8. We'll see. Probably 6. We'll see. But you know.
Barely 8:52.
Oh yeah,
So we
8:52.
just need to finish building these.
Yeah, we have to finish these ones here. Sorry in advance, Donna, for the mess that will be in your house for the foreseeable future until it's done. But we are gonna shower and then eat. My uncle's gonna make some chow mein, some fried rice, and we're gonna have tofu, and they're gonna have like steak or beef or something. Beef. Thank you for all your help. You are the bestest and the amazingest.
I ain't done, but we figured out what we're gonna do and how we're gonna fix everything.
Yeah.
So the track is still gonna be part of the track of the rail that I cut off.
Oh, at the
So
bottom?
it's gonna be hiding. Yeah, it's gonna.
Oh wow! Look at you two planning
It's gonna hide
things.
behind the door.
Nice.
So the wall, so you won't see it and you won't be able to trip over it.
Woo!
And
Excited.
it's still guided in.
So excited. Right.
So all we have to do is just drill the holes and
Drill the holes.
put the doors
Woohoo!
up.
What time are we waking up tomorrow? 6 a.m.?
No.
All right, let's eat. We're fresh out of the shower. I'm so sleepy, and we're eating. My uncle made us like tofu beef stew, or what is it called? Beef. He called it something. I've heard it like an Asian.
Broccoli and beef?
Beef and broccoli, yes. So, well, yes, you said it, but I'm just saying because it's called the dish. I'm so tired. But we are making some egg rolls. I just did this. I think it's the wrapper. Yeah, it never does that. Did we get a new kind? Okay, so I promise they're not normally like this. But these are, okay, this is a good one. I suck. Destiny normally does these, but yeah, so we're making some of this. He's making some, I don't want to like lift it because I don't want to mess up his thing, but like the real beef and broccoli. And I think he probably is keeping ours warm in here. Oh yeah, here's our beef and broccoli. Wow. Wow. But it's tofu and broccoli. I mean, Avi. Okay, I need to try this. Stop it right now. Oh my god. So good. You want to try it? Or no, wait. Okay. Put it warm. And dogs are cozy, sleepy. Our mess is, you know, it's working. But look at all that. Oh, I'm so tired. We have a full Asian themed dinner. Here. Panda Express.